And spring is here, and so are the birds. Jan talks to the folks from BirdX right now to find out how to encourage them to fly the coop so you don't have to deal with the poop.
Well, if you've got problems with pigeons nesting right above the car or on your patio, all right, let's just get right to it. If you have a problem with pigeons pooping around your house, right?
Right. That's right.
Then BirdX is going to be able to help you, and you can actually go green in the process. Right. Joe Seid is the technical director for BirdX. Hey, Joe, welcome back.
Thank you. Good to be here.
I mean, bottom line, that's what's happening all over the valley.
That's true. You have pigeons. They never leave because the weather's so nice.
And not only is it a mess, but you were saying that they actually carry disease. Tell me about that.
There is a possibility of disease if children or other people are exposed to the droppings. It could affect their lungs and other systems. It's not very safe.
All right, so let's talk about how we can get rid of them and do something good for the environment as well.
Well, these are all safe things to do. They're really passive. One of the things that we really like to see, and they're all over Phoenix now,
yes, they are
these little bird spikes. And they're little strips you put down. They stop birds from roosting, and if they're not roosting, they're not making their mess.
And it says on the back of the box, use on ledges, sills, gutters, air conditioners, signs, eaves, beams, roofs, chimneys, antenna, cables, and pipes. I mean, so you've got the whole thing covered, and there's some different varieties here as well. So how long has this product been around, and why is it so effective?
Well, it's been around many years, actually, but really only available in stores recently. And it's effective because it's permanent, but it's physical. So if it stops their behavior from landing and roosting, they're not causing a problem, not making such a mess, and they go somewhere else.
And once they go away, I mean, once you get rid of them, the chances of them coming back
are very small. Pigeons are creatures of habit like we are.
Right.
So we take the same route to work, etc. So birds, once they figure out something's not fun for them anymore, they leave the area.
And you're right about seeing these all over the valley. Can we talk about the spooky owl?
Yeah, this is called the scare eye balloon. It's nothing more than an inflatable vinyl ball, and you blow it up, you put it out in your garden or near your patio, and it looks to a bird like a predator.
And neighbors.
And neighbors, right. So it just appears to them as something they don't want to approach, and believe it or not, it makes them leave the area and they go somewhere else.
Wow, that's amazing.
Really simple.
All right, what else do you have?
Really quite simple. We have a product called Irritape, which is this holographically printed polyester ribbon. It's very bright and shiny, especially in the Phoenix sun.
And birds really can't stand this product,
They don't like the reflection.
Okay.
And it also makes a little bit of a rattling noise in the wind. And birds are very nervous creatures, so they fly away when they see this reflection.
Now, we've got some strung on the tree. What are some other applications? How else would you use this product?
Oh, you could put this over a ledge. You could put it in your porch, your patio, your carport, overhangs, any place where birds are going and making their mess and leaving their mark, you can put this.
Right. And Joe, these products are easy to use, easy to install, and that's half the battle right there.
It's simple. They don't involve chemicals or traps. There's nothing lethal. It's safe for the environment, and people just take them out of the box and put them down, and they're ready to go.
All right. So real quickly, let's go over these once again.
The bird spikes, there's a plastic bird spike with glue included.
Okay.
You just take the glue out, and then these are the stainless steel. They're a little more commercial, but they won't rust in the rain and bothered by the sun.
Got scary eye.
And the scare eye balloon is this inflatable, which you just blow up. It's very inexpensive and simple. And you have the Irritape, which is also inexpensive, simple, but very effective.
Great. And Joe, what is your website?
It's bird-x.com. You can also call your helpful Ace Hardware store. Tell them you want the BirdX products, and they'll have the product right there for you in the store.
Or you can call the number right there on your screen.
Right.
Thanks, Joe.
Thanks. Great to be here.